Okay, guys, sorry, I was a little jumpy, but it's weird. Like, after all of that, people are still outside. I don't get it. It is freezing. I have goosebumps, so wish me luck. Sorry I'm not inside today, but inside today. But it's cold. But so yeah, I kind of was freaking out because I thought it was Siren Head, but it was not. It was just a fire alarm and a great big pole. So look at this leaf. That leaf is weird. What's that? Guys, what is that? There's black something over there. That's weird. There's something black. What would be black? I don't get it. This is just all weird. My plant is growing fuzzy, but so yeah. Let me know in the comments down below if you like my videos. Bye.